Perl tutorial part 95, arrays of hashes. Arrays of hashes are great data structures if we want to loop through hashes numerically. Let's create an array. Okay, so again we compose with the anonymous hash constructor. Our first hash, our second anonymous hash, main occupation, okay, there is our array of hashes. So to access some data, as we would loop through an array, and then our hash item, first name, John. And if we want to print out the street address, like so. If we want to add some more items of data to our array, we could do it like this. We've got 0, 1, 2 items, so if we want to add hash number 3, anonymous hash constructor, and we could say wage like so. Or we could push an item onto the end, like that. We could also create a reference to our array, so ref like so, and print the main occupation. Plumber. Now we could also loop through our array of hashes, so we could do it with a for each loop. Create a count equal to 0, for each item in the array. Okay, so at the end of the loop we would increment our counter. And we can print out our hashes. Let's run this. And we get all items in our array of hashes, including the 2 we've added. You could also loop through with a for loop, so if we just copy this part down, and we can just say for count from 0 to however many things are in the array. And remove the counter. So that's how to create and use arrays of hashes.